What's up, YouTube? Hope you all are doing great. The weather is lovely here in Hyderabad today, and I'm off to a beautiful sunset point nearby. This is one of the best evening spots for some great view of the city landscape and, of course, a beautiful sunset. I will reveal more details about this spot as we ride, so sit back and enjoy the view. We are right now on the Cake Road of Hyderabad, the infamous Khajaguda Lake Road. A lot of people come here at midnight to celebrate birthdays. You will see small parties everywhere around this area. I've seen people cut cake right on these rocks, dude, here on the divider. I mean, what's the thrill about cutting cake in the middle of the road? Are these guys homeless or senseless or maybe both? God knows. Anyways, as we leave the hustle and bustle behind, let's talk about why sunsets are like motorcycles. Both are best enjoyed with a sense of freedom and a touch of adventure. Plus, they look fantastic in photos, and we are all about Instagrammable moments, aren't we? And here's a pic that I'm very proud of. One of my favorite pics of my bike with a sunset in the background. Hope you like it. Alright, as we ride, I see that Hyderabad's skyline is starting to put on its evening makeup and we are getting closer to that magical golden hour. Trust me, there's nothing quite like seeing the city in the warm colors of a setting sun from your bike. Alright, let's talk about this place I'm headed to. It's called Neopolis. It's a township kind of a place and a lot of big builders have their residential projects going on in that area. I don't think any of these projects are completed as of now, so it's not that busy, but the work is going on at a good pace and soon it will be a very busy area. Okay, we are currently in Narsingi near my home Avatar. This area for some reason has become super crowded these days. This township is located in an elevated area, so the views from this place are mind-blowing. On one side you will see the stunning office buildings that came up all around this area in the last couple of years, and on the west side it is just open land, so you will see a good view of the sunset here. There you go, we have just entered the Neopolis township. See all the sand on the road? That's what I was talking about. A lot of construction is going on in and around this area, and if you're riding here, please be careful in these turns and don't go all MotoGP on these roads. Definitely not safe. To my left you will see the city view. A lot of people come here to this road for this view, but not many know about the other side of this township where the sunset view is just as good as the city view. And here we are, the grand finale, the sunset viewpoint. Hyderabad spread out below us, the sky ablaze with oranges and pinks. It's moments like these, man, that make every ride worth it. Breathtaking views, the hum of the engine, and the promise of a new adventure with every ride. I know the camera does not do justice, but if you are in Hyderabad, you should come visit and see this for yourself. Just ride or drive around this place after a busy day at work, just like I'm doing right now, and you will not regret it. I can't wait to come here with my new bike, the ZX4R, that I will get in a few weeks. So like and subscribe, as I will be covering rides on the Kawasaki Ninja ZX4R exclusively on this channel, and to see more rides like these. Remember, life's too short to miss out on sunset rides, so grab your helmet, hit the road, and chase the sun every chance you get. And remember, ride safe, stay strong, be kind. This is your riding brother, Deccan Rider, signing off. See you in the next one. Cheers.